Good. Ooh, hang on. There we go. See how this looks nice today. There he goes. Well, good morning. It's, oh, what a good boy.